Open Settings on your Android phone. Tap on Wi-Fi and make sure it's turned on. Now try connecting to your Wi-Fi. Now, make sure your date and time are set correctly. Go to Settings and tap Additional Settings. Tap on Date and Time and turn on Set Automatically. Incorrect date and time can sometimes block your Wi-Fi from connecting. Now, let's reset your network settings. Go to Settings and scroll down to Additional Settings. Tap on Backup and Reset, select Reset Network Settings, and tap Reset. This clears all saved Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile data settings. Now go back and try connecting to your Wi-Fi again. If that didn't work, try turning on airplane mode for about 10 seconds, then turn it back off. Also, check if your router is working fine. Restart your router by unplugging it for 30 seconds and plugging it back in. Wait for it to fully restart and try connecting again. If nothing worked so far, go to Settings and tap About Phone. Check if a software update is available and install it. Restart your phone after the update and try again. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe. Also, press the bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.